HAUS!
Pwy nath ysgrifennu cwestiwn ma? Mae'n so, like...
Helo, croeso I HAUS. Cyfres newydd ar Hansh gyda fi, Priya Hall. Dwi'n cael y cyfle I holi fy ngwestai arbennig dros gêm o bingo. Sort of. Heddiw, mae ganddo ni digrifwyr, ysgrifennu'r, actor, and all-around good time gal. Croeso I Dafydd Francis!
Hello.
Ti'n hoffi bingo o fi?
Obsessed.
Bingo o fi yw hyn.
Huge vibe. Really?
Yeah.
Croeso.
Ti'n edrych bach fel Mr Bean, 11. Beth yw best celebrity impression ti?
Ti'n barod?
Yeah.
Baby, I'm so into you.
Yeah?
Britney Spears.
Obviously.
Circa 1998.
No, Boris Johnson, actually. Ti'n Team Britney, Free Brits?
Oh, imagine os oedd I fel, na, gadael I mewn na.
That's a wrap, see you later.
Of course Team Britney.
Obviously.
Yes, Queen! 3
My God, love it.
Pryd des di allan?
Oh, 1993.
93?
Nes I gael y geni. Na, nes I, yn 17-18, boita gyda mam, literally. Nah, I like men. I had a lot of bullying in school.
Oh.
So nath hi gwario lot o amser. Oh no, he's not gay, I've asked him. He's just, you know, he's colourful. 2 months later, you know, very gay. I think scared. Oh, well, the bullies are going to get proven right, you know? Mum, fuck up, I'm gay. Let's just move on, you know what I mean?
Get a grip.
Ond, tro cyntaf, siarad gyda mam. Yn y gegin.
More. 44. Pwy yw / pwy oedd Lex Gabor?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Pwy nath ysgrifennu cwestiwn ma? Nes I creu Lex Gabor fel rhyw fath o cymeriad flamboyant defence mechanism yn yr ysgol.
Oedd angen cymeriad flamboyant ydw?
Believe it or not, yes. I would deal with the bullying in 2 ways. Either mynd gatref crio, like, oh my God, they're calling me gay. Neu, nes I ymateb fel rhyw fath o I'm gay, I'll show you, gay bitch.
The gayest?
Of them all. Nes I datblygu'r cymeriad mewn I cymeriad ar YouTube, really.
Lovely.
Flamboyant, inappropriate, you know, really chaotic. Mae'n dal yn byw inside. A lot of therapy.
Sure. Ti yw Lex Gabor post-therapy?
Post-rehab.
Post-rehab?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Pob chwarae teg, y rif deg. Unrhyw tips ar sut I ofalu am dy iechyd meddwl?
Wneud yn siŵr bod pob nos ti'n gwylio awr o The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
Oh, interesting.
Instant antidepressive. Mae yna awr ar y diwedd y dydd I ti troi ffôn ti bant, rhoi cerddoriaeth ar, chill, candle. Fi'n Taurus, so I love comforts. You know, like eistedd lawr, glass of wine, incense stick, fuck, bit bynnag, you know?
Dwi'n Virgo, so dwi'n ffili relaxo.
Shut up, seriously?
Yeah.
Ooh, fellow earth sign, eh?
Perpetually anxious.
We're compatible.
Okay.
Apparently.
Well,
it works.
good.
Ond fi'n hoel, you know, that's just one thing. I'm very gay.
A little issue. Okay, well, shame. Os oedd ti gallu dweud unrhyw beth I dy hunan 16 mlynedd oed, be bydde ti'n dweud?
Cymryd dy amser, bod dy hun, be yourself. Don't smoke weed. I ges I like a tattoo really cheap actually. You're not seeing it.
Oh, please.
No, honestly, later on it's awful.
Describe that tattoo, please.
Mae'n dweud, don't dream it, be it. Mae'n so like cheesy.
Obsessed.
Just be yourself and express yourself. How cliche gay.
Don't dream it, be it. Pryd ti'n bwyta 40? 90. Be di ick mwy a ti?
Pobl sy'n cnoi ac yn creu like an orchestra at the same time.
Sure. Fi ddim yn clywed yr adopter.
Disgusting.
Fi'n bach o Sian Lloyd Simp.
Oh my God.
55.
Jesus, that's amazing. Sean Lloyd. Love.
Pwy oedd dy celebrity crush cynta?
Honestly,
Yeah.
Anastasia.
Oh,
They were left outside alone when it's cold out here.
Yeah. Mae gan na Anastasia excellent energy.
CD cyntaf fi, crush cyntaf fi, and i'n really eisiau like the tinted glasses, the deep voice. Yr unig peth oedd dim 'da fi oedd the deep voice.
Fair enough. HAUS! That's it. Mae'r game di dod I ben. Dabbers lawr, please. Diolch yn fawr I Dafydd Francis am ymuno ni heddiw.
Diolch I ti.
Ymunwch â fi tro nesaf am gêm arall o...
HAUS, darling, HAUS!